One of the most exciting things we're seeing in Ethernet today is the advent of high performance AI cloud compute and using Ethernet to solve this problem to give you a unified fabric that provides the kind of performance attributes that you need for AI, but also brings the benefits of open standards and an open ecosystem that Ethernet is well known for. But that drives some new requirements for Ethernet switching. It needs to be very high bandwidth, it needs to be very low latency, and it has to provide deterministic low latency, even where you have multiple users sharing that fabric, that Ethernet fabric, when you have multiple AI compute jobs running at the same time as traditional general purpose compute. How can Ethernet scale to provide all of those attributes? This requires a new category of Ethernet switch that can provide very high bandwidth, deterministic low latency, and high radix that is needed for wider, flatter networks that can connect those compute nodes very, very quickly and very efficiently. That's really what's happening with a number of the new features we're seeing in development for the next generation of Ethernet switches. Some of these are being driven by the Ultra Ethernet Consortium, of which Marvell is a member, and some we'll be seeing in the next generation of Ethernet switch products that we have under development here at Marvell. Now, as we look forward in time, I think that this is going to mean that switches that are built for AI cluster compute racks and for AI fabrics will necessarily start to diverge away from switches built for general purpose compute, where the AI fabric is going to drive to be higher bandwidth, lower latency, and to integrate more and more of these features for deterministic low latency performance. General purpose compute will continue to be a critical part of the data center network and the data center deployment. And here, the focus will be on efficiency. It'll mean tracking the performance needs of those general purpose compute elements. And as both general purpose compute and AI compute continue to evolve, we're going to see switching products that evolve along with those two separate categories.